guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel we are going to be doing a wear test and review on the YSL All Hours Concealer. Now I already had and loved the foundation. It is always in my top 3 of my foundations when I do wear tests that I compare things to. So when I went to repurchase that, which hardly ever happens for me, I saw this and I thought I have to give that a shot. So if you are new around here, I do wear test videos every Tuesday, and they are typically videos where I do a wear test on a foundation, concealer, or mascara. If you have a product that you would like to see me do a wear test on, I would love to hear that down in the comments. If you are new around here, I would love if you subscribed and followed along as well. Now, a few key things about this product is this product is sold at Sephora. It is $34. It comes in 16 different colors, which is not a huge shade range. It is a full matte coverage concealer. That concerns me a little bit because I use concealers under my eyes. So we'll see how that plays out throughout the day. It is said to have a 16-hour wear. It is said to not crease, crack, or look masky. Didn't realize masky was a word. It is also said to blur and erase fine lines, dark circles, bags under your eyes, redness, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and so on and so on. So I am very excited to try this out. Let's jump right into putting it on together. Okay, before we put my concealer on, I do use the Tula. I did my foundation and I have a brightener underneath, but then if you haven't tried this, guys, this is so good. It is by Tula. It is called the Glow Up, Get Up Brightening and Cooling Depuffing. I don't even know. This thing is so good. It's just like, they have a pink one and like a gold one, but I love that one. Okay, we're gonna be trying this out today. I have this in the color 3.5 Natural. I love the foundation, so I figured why not try the concealer, right? I apologize if you hear some noises in the background. MJ is homeschooling, and he has a recorder. He has music today. Wasn't that smart of the schools? Let's give the kids at home a recorder. Parents don't have enough to deal with. Pretty black packaging, has the color showing through, doe foot applicator. Ooh, I like the color. Okay, that's totally me. So I've been doing my concealer a little bit differently. I just put it where the darkness is and then a little bit in the outer corner. I've been doing my concealer later in my makeup routine, but today I'm going to do it right now. I then use a sponge on one side and I'll use a brush on the other. This is very pretty. It's not like crazy coverage, but I can hear that recorder going. Okay, actually, I like it better with the brush, which is unusual for me. I tend to be more of a sponge person. All right, let's look at this up close and see. This is pretty, guys. It has like a nice little reflective property. It looks nice, it looks brightened. I'm excited about this. I always set it with a little bit of powder. I'm using my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, which I am at the end of. There's like next to nothing left in this actually. And I usually have a backup and I don't. That'll be going on my order list today. I'm gonna order that. Okay, it settles nicely. I'm liking this. So taking a look at it, it isn't, and the reason I've been doing it down further and over in the corner is so it doesn't settle up under my eyes. No matter what, I have a crease here. Most products do settle up through there. This looks pretty, guys. I like it. Let's zoom in and take a look at this. All right, taking a look at the under eye area so you guys can see it up close and see what I'm seeing. I can still feel the cooling effect of the Tula, and I'm liking this. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and then I will come back and talk to you after I've done everything and see how it kind of settles in. All right, concealer is done. Sorry, that recorder is killing me today. Not concealer is done. All of my makeup is done. There we go. I'll tell you, like, I love the look of this, especially in the camera. Interested to see what it'll look like outside in natural daylight. I feel like it's a little bit crepey on this eye. So that's interesting. We'll have to watch that throughout the day. Taking a look at the concealers, this one right here is the YSL that we are testing out today in the color 3.5 Natural. And then we have my favorite one right now, which is the Laura Mercier, and I think it's called like the Flawless concealer in the color 2C. See how this one has a little bit more of a pink undertone? This one has a little bit more of a yellow undertone. Then right here we have the By Terry, which is in the number 4 medium peach, which is a little bit closer to the YSL than it is to the Laura Mercier. And then over here we have the Dior in 3CR, which is much closer to the Laura Mercier actually. So this is what they look like in studio lighting, and we'll look at them also in natural lighting. Taking a look at these out in natural daylight, I will say that the YSL still steers closer to the By Terry as far as color. This one has not as much peach or pink undertone as the Dior and the Laura Mercier. It says it's matte. It looks very similar to these. The Dior is the only one that has a little bit of a sheen to it that I really noticed. But you can definitely tell a difference out here in this natural light. All right, so now we are in a little bit same area, but no lighting on. That shows you a little, and the curtains are down. Not that it's a bright day, you can tell a little bit. I wanted to take a photo and see how it flashes back. I have to scoot in really close, so you're not going to see me take the actual photo. But looking at this in a photo, so it flashed a little differently. The first one, my skin looks very pink and very red, but under eyes looks good. I'm not noticing any real like creasing or anything like that. It looks fine. It looks nice. It looks healthy. We'll see how it looks outside. Okay, it is a little bit overcast out, but I wanted to take a look at this concealer, see how it does. See if it's settling at all. See if you still see the darkness. Are there any fine lines that are being more noticeable? I mean, when I go like this, they always are. But that's all right. Interested to see. 5-hour check-in on the concealer. Let's see, I haven't looked at it. All right, it's holding up better than I thought. With that matte word, that matte just scared me a little bit. I think it's the keys, like using like an eye balm underneath of it. This one has a slight, I'll zoom in and show you, a slight bit of patchiness all the way under. Looks a little bit cakey. Slight, I mean like I'm nitpicking this. I'll zoom in and show you. All right, taking a look at this here. Right up under here, you can see a little bit of separation, a little bit of like patchiness right here. Slight bit of patchiness there. So at 5 hours, it's good. I think I would play with the corrector or the balm I have underneath possibly. But it's staying put. I will give it that. It is not moving. So we'll see how it does at 10 hours. 10-hour check-in. This is a very drying concealer. This may be good if you have spots you're covering. The foundation just was a mess. You might have already seen that video all about the Huda. Yeah, very drying. Taking a look. This is very drying under the eyes. Settled right there, but that did that way earlier. Just looks crepey. The last thing I want under my eyes is a crepey, dry look. So final thoughts, and this concealer is just not for me. If I had to choose one, that Laura Mercier one just performs the best for me. I hope you enjoyed this video all about the YSL All Hours Concealer. If you have any questions about this product or anything else I talked about in this video, I would love to see a comment down below. If you are new around here, I would love if you subscribed and followed along. And also, if you know of any products that are new or old ones that you love that you would like to see me do a wear test on, please let me know down in the comments and I will take a look at those and see if I can get my hands on them. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day.